Hi everyone. So I'm just mucking up the cows. Oh, sorry, I've got a cold. I feel pretty rough today. It's the last week just before Christmas, so just getting all the farm ready, so I don't have to worry about anything over Christmas. But yeah, we're just mucking the cows out because where it's outside and we feed them, it builds up quite quickly. They're almost jumping over the gates now, so I thought we'd muck them out before they get too bad. Well, before they got any worse before Christmas. But yeah, we're just taking it up into the top field and tipping it up there just for now, so we're not making a mess. And then in the spring or whatever, we'll move it or to where we want it, like. We've got all our winter crops in, they all went in. We had to have a bit of a move around to where we were putting what, but we've got them in, so that's all that matters. And then we've got spring beans and spring peas that we're going to be drilling in the spring. But someone's told us that seed for peas is running out, so it looks like we're going to buy the pea seed earlier than we wanted to. Might be able to hear me a bit better, but yeah, so we're moving them up. All the cows are under the shed, and me and Jack are just mucking out the worst bit, and then we'll bed them all down today, so they're all nice and happy over Christmas week. This trailer, we've just had a problem with it. The two rear hinges where it pivots the tipping off of, one of them has broke away at our uncle borrowed the trailer, and I've got a cup of tea. I'm back again. Jack just made me a cup of tea, but yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I was talking about trailer. Yeah, trailer, the bracket broke on the pivot point, so Steve's been repairing that for us yesterday, ready for today, and the trailer's all good now. It's been broken for a little while because there was grain all in the chassis where the bracket for the pin had all broke away from the chassis. So it's been like that for a little while, so we've been lucky it's not snapped off in the grain store or something and tipped the trailer on its side or anything. But no, we're just mucking this bit out so that it's nice for them. We don't have to worry about it over Christmas because they were almost, the straw was nearly the height of the gates, so we needed doing. And we're getting this done today, and then I think tomorrow's Thursday. Sorting out one of the lorries tomorrow, and then Friday there'll just be bits in the yard again. Chicken pens all a bit worn away now. Oh, sorry, Steve. But we'll probably do that Friday, and then it will be Saturday's day off, and then Sunday is Christmas Eve. So it'll be a Christmas week and we won't be doing a lot then. So I think in the new year we'll be in the new year we'll be doing a bit of hedge flailing and topping up a bit of ground. Up a bit of ground, where is it? I can't remember now. The hedge flailing and topping up there, so probably make a video doing that. I go up there. But no, we'll be a few more videos doing cultivations for the bean and pea ground over at Sutton. And then we've got the top field, Christmas field up there. Caldecott's all been drilled. And then this new ground we've got. So we'll be doing that as well in the spring, as well as lambing. Just worked it all out and they'll start lambing in the middle of February. So I'll have to bring them all in the middle of January to vac them and worm them and trim their feet and bring them into the sheds just in case there are any that are going to lamb early. So a nice rest now just before lambing. That's going to be hard work working as well. It's come round quick. This year's gone very quicker than keep going quicker and quicker and quicker. Been a tough harvest this year. We're almost out of straw now, so we've only got 1.5 stacks left. There's a full stack there and then a half stack to your left. And that's all the straw we've got apart from in the shed. But I never got to do any conventional baling in harvest, it was all so busy. We never did, but I might do a few in the shed. I'll have a few in the shed ready for lambing. So I might film that just of the baler working. So I've run it up on my little BMC, but that's a bit small for the baler. It's only 25 horsepower, so I haven't been able to run it up properly. But hopefully in the new year I'll be able to bale up a few bales. Have the Massey on the front, 6160 or something. We'll see what I do. Not a lot much else has happened. We've still got the 2 straw lorries running at the moment. They'll be off for a couple of days over Christmas and New Year. They'll be running Wednesday to Friday, and then the New Year weekend they'll be off, and then we'll start back on Tuesday. There's only a few load of muck here, so it shouldn't take us much longer to do this. But yeah, we'll get this done this morning, early afternoon, and then we'll do another video checking the sheep, because they're in the bottom paddock now. They've been moved off of the summer grazing, so I'll go and do a video on them. We finished all the cattle are all happy now till spring. We tagged them, dehorned and castrated and everything a couple of weeks ago. But that weren't much fun. But we got that all done, so the cattle are all happy. But yeah, it's all sort of slow, not slow going, but just ticking along over the winter. We've had a bit of snow. We had that last not this Sunday, the Sunday before. We had a bit of fun in the snow. Tied a sledge to the back of my landing and pulled it down concrete lane. So that was pretty fun, but we might get a bit more snow this year, but up north they've had a lot more than what we have down here. Up north, I think some places in Wales they've had a couple of foot of snow. They've probably got snow still on the floor now, I would have thought. We had one day's worth of snow. That was nice. But that's all we've had so far, but hopefully in the new year we might get a bit more. No, over Christmas it's going to be quite, well, forecast is going to be wet on Christmas Day. And cloudy, just like, I think like today really. So it won't feel ever so Christmas, but it'd be nice to have a frost on Christmas, but we'll see. But yeah, I'll call it a day now, and I'll try and upload this video as soon as I can. But yeah, I'm going to try and do a few more videos because I've added my AdSense to it now. I've started up an AdSense and Dad's making a bit of money out of it now. And I've just had a look on it because I've put all my old videos onto the AdSense, monetised them all. And I got about £30, but you don't get paid till until you've earned about 60 quid. They don't pay you. So I'm at £30 now. So I'm going to try and start doing more videos to make a bit of money through YouTube, hopefully. And then I'll be able to I'll probably put it towards my YouTube channel and maybe buy a drone. And I wouldn't buy an expensive one like what George has. That's quite a lot of money, that was. But I'll buy a half decent one because I won't use it a huge amount because the majority of the time I'll be driving. But I'll have a look and see what takes my fancy, but I might buy another GoPro because this one's pretty rough. I need to buy all the mounts because they're all gone missing over the years. But yeah, I'll put a bit more towards my YouTube channel with the money that I get from my AdSense. I'm not going to do it for the money, I just enjoy putting the videos up. So just the money's just going to be a little bit extra, just so that I can pay for my camera and put a bit towards that, really. I'll try and put some more videos up next year. Probably in the new year buy another GoPro, a bundle of mounts for it and that. Look after it rather than I looked after this one. Within the first 15 minutes of me using it, the first time I used it, was on a chaser, and I folded the chaser up to go down the road, and I forgot where I put the camera and crushed the camera within 15 minutes of use, of its first use. So got a bit of a dent and a scratch on the back, so I might buy another one. But I won't buy an expensive one because I don't see the point of it. I'll buy either another Session or just a standard GoPro. But we'll see. But yeah, I think that's about it so far. Don't know what that's about. Didn't like that, sorry. I don't know what I did there. weren't happy though. Yeah, I think that's about it so far, but I'll see you again soon. But yeah, bye bye.